At least 22 dead as tornadoes battered the South and Midwest. At least 22 people are dead after a major storm system ripped through several states in the Midwest and the South, bringing tornadoes and severe thunderstorms Friday and overnight. 7 of the deaths are in McNairy County in southwestern Tennessee, according to the state's Emergency Management Agency. The damage includes downed trees, power lines, and houses with heavy damage in multiple counties, according to a list of storm reports collected by the agency. 5 of the deaths are in Cross and Pulaski counties in Arkansas, 4 are in Boone and Crawford counties in Illinois, 3 are in Sullivan County, Indiana, 1 in Pontotoc County, Mississippi, 1 in Madison County, Alabama, and 1 in Tipton County, Tennessee, according to officials. Wynne, a city in Arkansas's northeastern Cross County where 4 people died, saw widespread damage from the storm system, Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders said in a tweet. Central Arkansas also suffered significant damage Friday, Sanders said, after meteorologists said a tornado touched down in North Little Rock, pummeling buildings and leaving at least 3 people dead and dozens injured. Here we come to the end of another video. Leave your like, share the content, and subscribe to the channel to receive more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.